The entrance of 2541 West Congress Parkway, Unit 1W. Come on in into your open living dining space. You have your kitchen, full stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinetry. You've got pull down sink. Just beautiful, almost brand new. Coming into the hallway, we have our first bathroom on the left. You have your tub, modern finishes, subway tile. First bedroom. Coming in here, pretty standard, good space. You could fit a queen size bed. You could even fit a king size bed if you wanted to. Got your closet right here. And then let's come back out to the hallway. Over here, we've got our washer dryer. We have a nice little closet here. Hang all your towels and everything. And then the master bedroom featuring his and her closets. So nice size, nice space. Can hang all your clothes. You don't have to fight over any space. And then also really good size in here. You could also fit a king size bed really easily. And then we have our master bathroom, the really nice walk-in shower, rainfall shower head, handheld sprayer, nice finishes. And then we'll go out our rear entrance. This is the common hallway, and this leads us to our parking spot, outdoor area in the back. So you would have parking right here, so it's very easy to come in and out. This outdoor space is for your unit, also features electrical outlet. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of 2541 West Congress Parkway, Unit 1W.